Around 50 children fall from windows or balconies in Australia each year. So if you live above the ground floor and have young children, window locks are vital for keeping kids safe. Before you install locks that require drilling, be sure to check out your rights and obligations as a tenant, landlord or strata owner. Tenants must get written permission from their landlord before they make changes to the rental property. Landlords cannot refuse permission unless they have a very good reason. Tenants and landlords should reach agreement on who will pay for and install the locks. They should also agree on what will happen to the locks at the end of the tenancy. What if you own a property in a strata building? Did you know the Owners Corporation must now install safety devices on all common property windows above the ground floor? Fines may apply if this isn't done by March 2018. Ask your managing agent or a member of your executive committee when your building is going to be fitted with window locks. If you want to install window locks in your own unit, be sure to let the Owners Corporation know. You must ensure your locks are installed correctly and that they are in keeping with the appearance of the building. For more information, visit www.fairtrading.nsw.gov.au or call 13 32 20. Remember, there are low-cost safety options for windows that don't require drilling. For more information on window and balcony safety, visit www.kidshealth.schn.health.nsw.gov.au. Check out our other YouTube videos in this series: Window Locks Save Lives and How to Install Window Locks.